Okay, Rishu Nandan, tell something about yourself.
Yes, sir. So my name is Rishu Nandan. I was recommended from SSB 18 SSB Allahabad on 3rd of November, and I took coaching from Col Dagar sir, and the results were amazing, as you can see. I also got merit in. My rank is 44.
So how did you find over in Col Dagar Academy when you joined here? What all improvements did you find when you joined the Col Dagar Academy?
So first of all, the psychology, it is the best. You can compare all the coachings and all. Your psychology will definitely improve, and everything will be you'll be taught about it. The TAT stories you'll be getting practice. Will also take test about in the psychology, and in the word association test, hold the psychology test. You'll have a test, and you'll see definitely improve in the quality of stories you were writing before and then after the coaching. So psychology is just best, the selling point of this coaching. And then the GTO, they have also a ground for the PGTs and all, and they have all kinds of obstacles, the tough obstacles also, and exactly the same kind which you'll find in the SSBs. You don't have to you'll not face any problem in the SSB. And about the group discussion, you'll get a healthy group, so that you'll be able to speak everywhere. In the SSB, you'll not face any nervousness and all. You'll get a good group, and these are the improvements you'll get here. And the lecturate part also, you'll get the confidence to speak for 3 minutes easily.
What difference did you find in yourself when you compared yourself with the students from other coaching academies?
So definitely I was much prepared, and I was not nervous in any of the tests in SSBs, as all the things in the SSB are exactly the same here. The same way they are taught, and the experience also of this academy matters. So compared to other students, I was better prepared, and I did well compared to other students.
Any difficulties you found in the SSB when you took the coaching from here?
No sir, no difficulties I found. Everything went very smoothly.
Okay, best wishes.
Thank you sir.
Okay.